Oh my gosh, what is that? Oh my gosh, someone's trying to break in my room. Oh my gosh. There's someone there. I can't see. Oh my gosh, they're going to try and get around the handle. I'm going to call reception. I'm scared. What are they trying to do? Oh my god. They're trying to get around the handle. Oh my god. I can't see anything either. Do they know I'm here? Shall I open the door? I'm going to call reception. I don't know whether... Why are they trying to break into my room? Hello? Hello? Oi! He's just tried breaking into my room. He's just tried breaking into my room. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't believe what just happened. Oh, I'm gonna call. Oh my god. Which one is it? This one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hello, hi. Is this reception? Yes, someone has literally just tried breaking into my room. Yes, can I have security up here now, please? Yes, I heard a noise and they had like a magnet and some cable ties and they tried getting in. They tried breaking into my room. Yes. This isn't a joke. Oh my god. I can't believe. So they had a cable. And this is a magnet as well. Oh my god. Oh my god. So that's what they were doing. Oh my god. I cannot believe this just happened to me. Oh my god. I literally just arrived at Vegas yesterday and then this has happened. Oh my god. I don't even want to touch it. So wait for security to get in and tell them. He literally just ran off.